Let's try some food. What do you think about that?
Say, yummy.
Ooh, is it good?
Is that yummy?
I do like it.
Is that yummy?
Ready? Oh, you want more?
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Is that good? You want more? She's like, I do want more. You okay? What's that face? Want more? Blah. But she cries when it stops, so that makes you think she likes it. Do you like it?
What do you think, Dilly?
You okay? Your face. She's opening her mouth.
Oh. Yum, 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 yum.
What is that noise? She's like, this is new. I don't know what that noise is. What do you think, baby? Is it good? Yeah. Is it good? Does it taste yummy? I think that should be enough for you. I don't know that you should really have too much more.
How was it, Dilly?
Is that good?
Yeah?
Yeah.
That was good?
Is that good?
Yay!
Eats food.
What a big girl. What a big girl.
Maybe one more bite?
You're falling over, kiddo. face.
world? This is not what I eat.
Kinda is, but...
Right. She's like, it's just not normal.
Yay, Dilly!
What do you think? Is it good? She's like, oh, look at this thing. I've never had a bib on.
I like your bib too, Daddy's girl. It's a good one for your first eating adventure. Yeah, yeah.
She's like, I like the bib too.
All right, kiddo.